bunker has collapsed on me. Not good. This is my playthrough of The Long Dark in an attempt to replicate Dismantle. So this is a custom game. I will be using mods, full custom, etc. We are beginning in the Mountain Town region, and I will make up a story as we go along. Let's see, full assessment. Let's see, I'm not wearing much. Managed just to slow on some clothes before I jumped out my bunker. Got a little bit of fire starter stuff in my survival bag. No any rule tools, so I pretty much just have to walk in a general direction until otherwise. I am a skilled survivalist. I'm a nature guy, so I've got some feats. If I gather up some sticks, I do believe I could make it. Once again, this is a custom build, custom settings, so lots of customs going on here. Biggest thing right now is I am freezing. I need to find my happy ass. Trailer. Okay. There we go. I found my way to the gas station. Use a spray can to start marking things. See anything in the car, back of the car. We'll check the front seat. Back seat didn't look promising, but the front seat seems to have some matches and some food and such. I did turn the insanity of animals down a little bit, so it's odd that a deer showed up right there. I hear him. I don't see him. Ever since they added the ptarmigan to the game. Requires pry bar. Requires a pry bar. Okay, great. Just great. Well, I know town is that way. So we'll start heading toward town. Don't want to go toward town, but we'll start heading toward town. Town has supplies.
Is it food or?
Odd, where'd everyone go? This place used to be a thriving community. Grab as much as we can from people's houses. Looks like everyone just up and left. Was there some kind of evacuation I didn't know about? Or was it something else? Well, better than any. So I need to be mindful of our gear here.
That'll come in handy.
Be mindful of our weight. How much stuff we carry. I don't know how to get off this island, but we're gonna figure this out. One way or another, we'll get off this
This'll come in
island.
handy.
Alright. So I think I'll just search through town aimlessly. Well, not aimlessly. On my way to my buddy Earl's house. Using them survival skills I know and love. We're gonna say my character grew up on this island. So we know what to do in the event of an emergency. Such as everyone leaving the damn island and not telling me. Just because I was a crazy guy who lived in a bunker doesn't mean people need to be mean and ignore me. So, that said, we're gonna search through my neighbor's stuff. Slow and methodically. Never know when you need a rock, right?
I could use this.
Better than nothing. Well, we made it to the post office. I ain't checked my mail. Maybe I got some mail. Everybody sure did leave all their stuff behind. This is kind of sad. Oh crap. I forgot my mail key in my bunker. My bunker's caved in. Guess I can't check the mail after all. What a drag. What a bummer. So much for checking my mail. Wait, maybe I can go behind them. Check the back door. Nah, I can't go in the loading dock. Well, we'll get to old man Earl's house eventually. He ran a farm outside of town. That's where I used to buy my meat from. Well, check a few more neighbors before we migrate here. Probably should make my way to Earl's house before it gets too dark. Old man Earl.
If this is any good to eat.
He and I used to go fishing a lot. You know, my folks died, he helped raise me. Worked the farm. Gave me an honest wage. Gave me a roof, gave me a purpose in life.
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
As I got older, I developed my own path, my own way. You know, I never left the island. He and I used to do a lot of cool things together. Used to work for the cannery down in the inlet. Till old man Earl, you know, he became old man. Just stopped doing farming. And eventually I got the ye old hermit bug and bought me some property out of town, built me a bunker, stayed in it. Well, my bunker kind of collapsed, so here I am. Ta-da! Right now I'm just searching all my neighbors' houses. Why are they all gone? Hey, that's right. There's that lady that always used to live here. She's kind of like the town's matron. She wasn't really mayor, but she was kind of like the MFIC of town? Question mark? She lives in a big house right there. Maybe I should search that too. I'm not sure. But we'll keep searching these smaller houses. There's gotta be a knife or tool or something somewhere. All I'm finding is food. Man, it's like all these people got like some kind of crazy alarm and bounced. Oh, there's a fridge. Nothing in the fridge. Freezer.
Hope I can still eat this.
Salmon. Nice. Oh, nope. Now I'm encumbered. Go figure. This is getting rather dull. Let's go to the matron's house. There's a deer over there. Oh, it's like all the deer came into town. Alright. This is one of those mystery houses where, you know, not a lot of people came here. Everybody knew about it kind of thing. Sure are a lot of supplies in here. It's got a working stove.
Is it food or...
Yeah, there's a stove, alright. Should probably pop some kind of light. You can see better with light. Let's search these cabinets first. This lady was... Everyone always talked about this
Might
lady
have to
being
drop some
loaded.
gear.
Aw. No rifle. Hey, look. It's probably a picture of the old lady when she was younger. Or her daughter. One of the two.
It's starting to weigh me down.
Cooking pot. We'll have to do some inventory maintenance up here. Oh, oh. How there's no bugs is beyond me. Probably because it's winter. I don't know, there's bugs in the winter too. I wonder what's behind this cloth. Hey, look. Accelerant. Nice. Sweatshirt on the bed. Oh. Probably get a fire going. No tools, unfortunately. There's not gonna be much cooking after all, huh? We got no tools. Good thing I'm an expert fire maker. So I can make some fires out of almost anything. Wahaha. You know, when I quit work in the cannery, I went and took some survival training, became a survivalist. The survivalist of Bear Island. Get some trout stew going in one of these here pots. And then in the other pot, we'll get some more trout stew going. So I got plenty of rainbow trout. Trout stew's really good. I like trout stew. Go ahead and eat that trout stew. And we'll get some more trout stew going. Trout stew, cook. There we go. Go ahead and take that. Eat that one. How much fire I got left? Hour and 7. Need to find me some wood. Alright, so we're gonna go outside and find some wood real quick. This lady's gotta have something around her house. So I gotta come down here and get some sticks. It ain't gonna help much for the sake of argument, but it's better than letting all that trout go to waste. Alright, there we go. Got some sticks. Now I should be able to get back up there and... Oh look, there's a hatchet. Nice. Now I can start breaking down furniture in that old lady's house. Do some more cooking. Mwahaha. There we go. We should be able to throw that coho right on the grill. Got a coho in here somewhere I found in someone's freezer. That going. Oh, I still got one more potato. Trout stew. So I got plenty of materials. Oh no, I'm out of trout. Showing off my cooking skills. More so just cooking up everything that needs to be cooked while I can. This old lady has a really nice stove. I like it. Oh look, there's a frying pan. Helps to look up. Duh. Well, I'm gonna take that as a cue that I should probably go to bed. So we're gonna make our way upstairs and go to bed. Then we'll begin our next day. We got too mesmerized by that old lady's stove to actually make the old Earl's farm today. So we will have to do that tomorrow.